Good morning, guys. Today we're out and about, hopping around on the cliffs looking for a galjoen. We already had a couple of throws this morning. My first throw went something like this. So yeah, the good old forget to flip over your bail arm. First throw in the morning, and yeah, it's lekker cold this morning. Mountains are full of snow, and it was freezing cold this morning, but it's getting better now. And yeah, we're just gonna look. We can't find a decent sized galjoen today. That's all option that we have with the weather. And yeah, I'm really positive. I think we're gonna get one or two lekker big galjoen today, hopefully. So yeah, guys, hold thumbs and let's see if we can't get a lekker galjoen this morning. Donder. Diff, krijg je die camera? Voel nou een mooi gal uit. Oh guys, it feels like a solid galjoen. And it's in the rocks now. Come on. I just want to get up, boy. Is het daar? A really solid galjoen. That was yeah, I reckon close to a 3 kilo fish. It's just too foul, and went around the rocks and I couldn't get it out. And yeah, it was way too deep into the hole, and yeah, I had to pull it off. And yeah, unfortunately it's gone. But we'll try another one, and hopefully we'll get another fish. But I'm so disappointed. Really disappointed. But that's fishing for you, eh? Yeah, let's get another bite in. Big swell coming. Another big galjoen on here, but it's in the reef again, and it just doesn't want to come out. And the problem what we're sitting with is that the galjoen are holding really close to that reef, and once you hook them, they just go around the reef, and you just can't stop them from going around the reef. And I've tried to throw a little bit further from the reef, and then I just stand and wait and I get no bite. As soon as I throw like 50 centimeters from that reef, or close to a meter to that reef, it's basically on instantly, but it just seems we can't land them, and they're really solid fish, and yeah, just sad. yeah, it's still on there. I can feel them moving around then, so hopefully somehow by some luck I can get it out. But it's so slow, otherwise I'm going to pull it off again. I can net begin droog voel. Yeah, you're gonna move again. This place has not treated us very well, and the water is chasing us off, and I'm soaking wet right through Diffie as well. So I'm reckon gonna find another spot, and I just actually want to walk to warm up a bit because I'm freezing. Whew. Diffie, krijg je die camera dan? Oh, ik zeg je gelijk, we zitten die camera in nog. Oh.
Nice. All done.
Ja, nou eerst uit. Het op mijn bladzij! Het op mijn bladzij!
Yo, dat is een mooie nou.
So yeah guys, after many kilometers of walk, soaking wet rain, wind, and losing 2 plus of Galjoen. Yeah, I was really sad losing those two Galjoen. Just holding this fish in the pool so that I can show it to you guys. Here is the fish that I finally landed. After losing those 2 big fish, I was really gunned. Yeah, but this makes up a bit for it. It's not nearly close to the size of the 2 that I lost. The 2 that I lost were absolutely massive fish. Yeah, just measured this Galjoen. It's 46, just over 46 centimeters fork length and 51 centimeters total length. And just check it at circle hook. Look at that 2.0 adrenaline circle hook right in the corner, perfect hooked up. It will never get out there. And yeah, this fish had me in the reef as well, and I thought, oh no man, it can't be, the third one is going to be gone as well. And just kept the pressure, and luckily he came out, and yeah, we got him. So we're really stoked with this fish. And yeah, I reckon Diffie drove all the way from the west coast, staying here for a couple of days, and he feels like having a fresh galjoen. So I'm gonna give Diffie this galjoen, and he's gonna chow it well over the legal limit. So yeah, Diffie, you can have this one. This is yours. You can have it on the braai tonight with a lekker couple of runners. Awesome man. Let's catch another one. Lekker! Diffie! Diffie on with a good fish. Oh! Looks like a goodie. So yeah, Diffie got a lekker mussel cracker here, but undersized, but we thought it was a lekker size galjoen, and but a good fish nonetheless. And the rain is coming down as well, and we found a bit of a pattern that the fish are holding very close to the reefs and very close to the pinnacles. And yeah, Diffie, pity it wasn't a blaar galjoen, eh?
Nonetheless, it's a fish.
Oh yeah. Away. A wake story this. There's another on. I'm not totally sure if it's a galjoen. Feels like a lekker fish. Might be a red Roman. Like, you know me, I love to. It shakes like a galjoen. Come on, like hey. Oh, it's foul. Reef again. Come on. Ik wonder of het nie 'n Roman is nie. Ik wonder of het nie 'n Roman is nie. Bly onder, gee. Ja. Dis ek gedink het. So what will a Zulu episode be without me catching a red Roman, eh? these things just can't seem to leave me alone. Everywhere I go, they seem to follow me. And yeah, another goodie. And yeah, I just don't want to waste too much time on them. I want to get him back because they die really quickly. So I'm going to throw this one back, and I'm shivering. I am getting freezing cold. Being hit by the waves, and I've been hit by the waves. I'm going to put this fish down. I've been hit by the waves, and it's been raining, so I'm really shivering. But it's lekker. Ooh, that fish grijpt me lekker. Yo. Come on. Yo, that fish grabbed me proper. That was lekker. That was a lekker bite. I don't think it's that big, but it grabbed me proper. Come on, buddy, come on. It's cold, guys. It's cold and so wet. It's cold, but it's like a... Must be another tomato. The smaller red Roman. Oh, it's cold. He's going back in the drink. Woo! Ooh, belly flop, sorry. So firstly, Diffie showed his yellow belly to the camera, and guess what, it was never recording. And so I changed batteries, made another throw, hooked into a youngish Galjoen, and then I loosed the thing. So yeah, I need to speak with the producer. It's causing some difficulties for us. Hey, Sanker is toch aan, papa? Little bonsai Galjoen. Smaller than the bait I usually use. So that brings us to the end of the video. It's quite a tough day today, long hours, a lot of kilometers covered, rain, being splashed by waves, hit by waves, and I'm really cold. No, Diffie's got a massive galjoen there at the back, like a, I don't know, 15-20 centimeter galjoen. So it's a and anyway guys, yeah, it was a fun day. It was lekker. I really enjoyed it. Yeah, thanks Diffie, it was a fun day out with you. And yeah, a couple of fish lost two massive galjoen this morning. Really good fish. That's the fish that we came for, but yeah, we lost them in London. But yeah, we lost them, so they don't count. And yeah, you guys should remember that the Horizon Heavy is still up for sale. Yeah guys, please remember that the Horizon Heavy 15 foot is still up for grabs. One lucky subscriber could win that 15 foot heavy Horizon. It's a absolutely great rod, lovely for big edibles and smaller non-heads. If you haven't seen the review, I'll put the link down in the description. You can check them out in Still Fishing. Still Fishing's website is www.stillfishing.com, so you guys can check it out. If you want to purchase anything, use my promo code ZLF and support my channel through that. And yeah guys, you know what to do. If you like this video, just click the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one.